Welcome to Viz. Our program enables you to leverage the open source Apex Charts JavaScript library as Power BI visualizations. I will give you a brief tour and show you how you can create your own beautiful charts that are importable to Power BI. So firstly, we have our main page. This is where the magic happens. You can pick any of these basic charts, or you can create your custom charts. So firstly, let's see how it looks like to create a basic chart. I'll just choose an area chart. I can see that on the left hand side there's a preview of how this chart's design is, and on the right hand side is the details that I need to fill in. So for the package title, this needs to be unique in the directory that it's saved into. So just pick a unique name, add your name, email, support URL, and description, and then you can submit it. And this will generate the needed files for the importing it to Power BI. So next up, we have a custom chart. So here is where the magic happens. If you want to choose your own options of what is displayed and what is not, create your own chart. So first of all, these instructions are here. Follow them step by step. So you will need some Apex options. So you can find some examples here on the Apex Charts library. I'll, for interest's sake, just take the mixed charts, and I'll take all of the var options, all this code underneath here. I'll just take and I'll paste here. So yeah, you can remove some of these options if you don't want them, mix and match all of that, and that should work really well. So next up, you'll need to convert this to a JSON object. So here I can see that I'll need to remove the var options and everything after the semicolon. So I can paste it, then I'm going to remove the var options, keeping the open brackets and removing everything after the semicolon. And here is my JSON object. Okay, I'll copy this and go back, and I'll see that next up I need to create a JSON schema. So from this, I'll go to this website. You might need to log in, sign up, or you can continue as a guest. You'll paste it here on the left hand side and submit it, and wait for the website to convert to a schema, and then you'll copy this to your clipboard and paste it here on the right hand side. Do note that it's very important that this JSON schema is actually valid to create your generated files. So the Apex options on the left is for the preview, and you see all these options are here, but the schema is the part that's functional. So the left hand side is just to see what you're creating beforehand. So here, same thing, you'll have a package title, all these details, you submit it, and then as a final step you'll run PBI Viz package. So here you can see on our hub page where this video is, all of these instructions with creating a basic chart, custom chart, and these final touches to create the PBI Viz package. So this is separate due to you maybe needing to add additional options. Maybe you're not happy with the generated files, you want to edit before creating the PBI Viz package. So this package will then be importable into Power BI. So yeah, there you have it. All the instructions are here. This video is here. You can find out more about why we've created this application. It automates a lot of steps. This is so easy to use, and very simplistic, and saves a lot of time to create these beautiful visualizations in Power BI. So yeah, here is the team. As you can see, we've had some front-end developers and back-end developers all made a very great team to make this happen. So we hope that this serves you well, and that this can help you create the visualizations that you need. Until next time.